Hi, so we're just going to have a quick look at how to get your reports in your Freeagent software. So there's different videos, different guidance where we talk about what to look for and what the actual reports are telling you. Also what you should be generating and how often. So simply today, it's just where do you find the reports and how do you generate those? So into our Freeagent dashboard then, under the accounting tab, if you click on that, you'll see reports. It's really simple, really easy to find. This shows you all of the reports that are available within your software. So the four that I'm going to show you quickly how to generate are your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your aged debtors, which shows your customers outstanding, your aged creditors, which shows your supplier payments that you still need to make. So to generate the profit and loss, then you simply click the link that takes you to the report, and then you can choose which period that you want it for. It will default, but you can change, for example, if you want a previous accounting year, or maybe you don't want a yearly report in the current year, you want monthly or quarterly. You just simply click on the link and it will show you the information that you want. And the comparative, obviously that will compare with another period, and you just again select the information and the report will all be generated by your software. Once you're happy with the report, you can export it either to a PDF to save it, or a CSV, which is like a spreadsheet. Is quite helpful if you want to make notes or use the information in other ways. That's pretty handy. So back to the reports then, and if we have a quick look at the balance sheet, and again you can choose the period that you want to show the report to, or even a custom date, because as we know, a balance sheet is a snapshot of the business assets minus liabilities at any given date. And again, you can export the report into either a PDF or a CSV. So looking then at your aged debtors report, again, very simple, just click on the link and that will show you all of your customers that have yet to pay. And you should be reviewing this on a very regular basis, because ultimately there's no point in invoicing if you're not going to follow through, make sure the payment comes through. And you know, sometimes customers do forget to pay, or they do need a little nudge. So using your report will help you to identify who's the older debtors, who's owed you the money for the longest amount of time, to enable you to prioritise chasing that money and ultimately getting the money in. Again, you can export this into a CSV or a PDF. Very useful to export this into a CSV, and then you can keep notes if it's an ongoing situation on when you spoke to a debtor, what was agreed, so that you don't overlap yourself or duplicate or spend time doing work that doesn't actually need to be done. So creditors, the same, and we don't actually have any on this report, but it shows you all of your suppliers that you still need to make payments to. And so again, you can check that that is within your agreed terms, and if any have slipped through the net and you need to organise the payment for. So hopefully that was useful and you now understand how to generate the reports, and you should try to look at them on a regular basis, even if you feel that you don't quite understand them. By looking at them and questioning the information that's there, seeing how they change, is how that we learn, and how your knowledge will grow of what the information you're actually getting from those reports. Thank you. Bye.